Hey everybody, this is a quick demo of how Kudzu handles repeating sections and their data with the Nintex for SharePoint product. This is running SharePoint 2016. So we've got two repeating sections here. This one isn't connected to a field, so it's just going to store the data in a form variable named injuries. This one is connected to a column called SharePoint column called witnesses. This is the multi-line text field. So if I exit out of this, you'll see this is the witnesses column, and you can see the XML in there. If I open this up, you can see the actual items with the data. So this is, again, this is being stored in a form variable, and these are being stored in that XML you saw in the witnesses column. So if I come over to Kudzu Desktop, we'll connect to that site. So this is just gonna, pull out all the forms. This is the one we want to read in. I'll go ahead and read that. So you can see we now have a preview in our uniform model. All fields, the two repeating sections. This looks good. We're going to go ahead and write this out as a lightning form. Don't have any tables. This is going to create 3 tables. We'll just call it incidents. It's going to create an incidents table. Then it'll create one for the injuries and one for the witnesses. Now it's actually deploying the forms directly, which is another one of the many benefits of using Lightning tools. So we can go over and look at the lists. Let's refresh this. Here are the 3 lists that we just created. So now that the lists are created, I can come back into the tool and actually do the data migration. So we're not going to change anything here. It's only 3 rows, so it should go pretty fast. But it's going to take the data from the source SharePoint list, take that XML data that's in the list items, and break that out into the individual the lists in the destination. So we'll go ahead and bring that up. Come back in here. There are the 3 main. So test incident, the dates. If I go back, look at the injuries. There are the injury records. Again, this was just XML data that was stored in one of the form variables. And then the last one was the witness statements. And you saw that XML in that actual witnesses multi-line text column. So we're able to convert the Nintex for SharePoint form to a Lightning form and migrate the data. If you want to just see what the Lightning form looks like, I go back to the incidents table, click new, there's my Lightning form. Summary, and there's my injuries and my witnesses. So we're able to quickly recreate the form and migrate the data.